Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Knit Crochet y Tejido. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to crochet this beautiful stitch. It's very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material I'm gonna use to make it. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell, that way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. I also have a playlist, Ruby Stedman English tutorial, and I have all my English tutorial in there. For this sample, I'm working with a 3.5mm crochet hook. I'm using loops and thread, wool-like, simili lane, 100 grams, 85% acrylic, 15% nylon. The recommended 3.5mm crochet hook, that's what I'm using, and the color is sage, and it's super fine 1. This stitch is multiple A plus 1, so I'm gonna do a slip knot, and I'm gonna do a chain of 25, 24 plus 1. So once I have my 25 chains for this stitch sample, I will measure here. I have my 25 chains, so now I'm going to chain one more, and I'm going to go to the second chain from the hook, and you're going to do a single crochet and another single crochet and then a chain space. Now you're going to chain 2, yarn over, you're going to count 1, 2, and in the third one you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet in the same space, chain 2, you're going to count 1, 2, and in the next chain space you're going to do a single crochet, and the next 2 chain space you're going to do a single crochet on each. So in total of 3 single crochet and the 3 chain space. And this is what we're going to do in row 1. Chain 2, yarn over, you're going to count 1, 2, and then the third one you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet in the same space, chain 2, you're going to count 1, 2, and in the third one you're going to do the first single crochet of 3, 1 on each chain space. And like that is how you're going to continue until the end, and you're going to finish with 2 single crochet. For row 2, you're going to chain 1, turn your work around. You're going to do a single crochet in the first single crochet. You're going to chain 3, yarn over, and in the chain 2 space, in the center of these 2 double crochet, you're going to do 7 double crochet. Six and 7. You're going to chain 3, and you're going to go to the center single crochet of these 3, and you're going to do a single crochet. And that's the repetition that you're going to do in row 2. You're going to chain 3, 7 double crochet, and the chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet, and the center single crochet of these 3. And like that is how you're going to continue in row 2, and you're going to finish at the end with a single crochet on top of the last single crochet. We're going to start row 3 with a chain of 4. Turn your work around, and you're going to do a single crochet on top of each double crochet, a total of 7 single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 single crochet. Now you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're going to go to the double crochet, and you're going to do a double crochet on top of each double crochet. And like that is how you're going to work in row 3, and you're going to finish at the end with a chain space and a double crochet on top of the last single crochet that is here in the lower stitch. And like that will be row 3. And I'm going to work in row 4, and in row 4 we're creating the base again of the stitch, but in different places. So we're going to move this to more to the center, and then when you do this again, the V stitch for the base of the next one, that will be a completely new motif. You see, a new repetition of the stitch. So you're going to chain 3, turn your work around, and the same space you're going to do a double crochet. You're going to chain 2, and in the 3 single crochet in the center you're going to do 3 single crochet. So you're going to count 1, 2, and in the third one you're going to do the first one, another single crochet in the next one, and another one in the next one. You're going to chain 2, yarn over, and these 5 chain space, you're going to count 1, 2, and then the third one, you're going to do the V-stitch. A double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet in the same space, and I'm working inside the chain space. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to come to the next motif, and you're going to count 1, 2, and the third single crochet, you're going to do the first one, and the next one, another one, and the next one, the third one. And like that is how you're going to continue working this row. At the end, you're going to finish with your 2 double crochet on top of the third chain here. Remember, you have 4 in here. You're going to skip 1 and go to the second one. There is the third from the bottom up, and you're going to do your 2 double crochet. For row 5, we're going to chain 3, and that counts as the first double crochet of 4. So you're going to do in that same space 3 more, and that will give you 4 double crochet at the beginning of the row. You're going to chain 3. You're going to do a single crochet in the center single crochet of these 3. You're going to chain 3, yarn over, and in the chain 2 space you're going to do 7 double crochet. Chain 3 and a single crochet in the center double crochet of these 3, and like that is how you're going to continue in this row, and you're going to finish with 4 double crochet on top of the third chain of the end. You're going to chain 1 for row 6 and turn your work around and do a single crochet on each double crochet. That's 4 single crochet to begin row 6. You're going to chain 5 and you're going to go on top of the 7 double crochet and you're going to do 7 single crochet. and you're going to chain 5 and continue with your 7 single crochet, chain 5. At the end you're going to finish with 4 single crochet, 1 on top of each double crochet, and we are creating the base for the repetition of row 1. And now that we created the base for row 1, you start with the repetition of row 1 one more time. So, or as many times as you want as you work your piece. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work around, 2 single crochet, so 1 on each of the 2 first double crochet or single crochet. You're going to chain 2, yarn over, you're going to go to the center of the 5 chains, and you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in that space, chain 2, you're going to skip 1 and 2, you're going to go to the 3rd single crochet, you're going to do a single crochet, you're going to do another one in number 4 and then number 5. Again you're going to chain 2, yarn over, and you're going to do again your V-stitch and then chain 3 in the center. And like that is how you're going to continue working until the end. So you're going to chain 2, 3 single crochet, chain 2, V-stitch, chain 2, 2 single crochet at the end. And like that, look, once you finish the repetition of row 1, and then you go and do repetition of 2 and so on until you have the desired size. When you finish the design that you're making, you're going to finish with repetition of row 1 like this. Well, I hope you guys like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make anything with this beautiful stitch and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.